Sai Ram children, good morning. So, let's recall what we have studied in the previous standard. These are the expansion formulae which we have studied in previous standard. First one is a plus b the whole square. Yes children, so you have to write the answer also. You are ready, right? You are ready with your study material. Always keep your book and your pen ready. So write the answer. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Next is a minus b the whole square. Write the children answer. It is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Third one is a plus b the whole bracket multiplied by a minus b. And the answer is a square minus b square. Let's check the answers children. A plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So this is a plus b. Two terms are there, right? So when two terms are there, we call them binomials. And in this, the first term is a, second term is b. So a plus b the whole square is square of first term plus 2 into first term into second term 2ab plus b square, that is the square of second term. So formula is a plus b the whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Similarly, a minus b the whole square is equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. The square of first term minus 2ab minus 2 into first term into second term plus square of second term b square. Now a plus b the whole bracket multiplied by a minus b. It is addition of two terms multiplied by subtraction of same two terms. So it is a square minus b square. First square of first term minus square of second term. So these are very important formulae. You have to write them 3 to 4 times. You have to by heart them, memorize them. Now this is a small activity based on the formulae which we studied now. It is in the form of fill in the blanks. First question is x plus 2y the whole square. X square plus dash plus 4y square. So here children, square of first term is given, right? Square of second term is given. Middle term is missing and middle term is 2ab. So it is 2 into first term multiplied by second term, right? So the answer is 2x into 2y, first multiplied number. 2 2s are 4, 4xy. So our answer is 4xy. Next one is 2x minus 5y the whole square. Now here first term is missing. First term is, that is square of first term. Square of first term is 2x. So here we have to write that is square of 2x. So it is 2x the square. Similarly, the third term, that is, it is the square of 5y. Right? It is the square of 5y and you have to put bracket. So now open the brackets. It's 2x whole square. So 2 into 2, 4x square. So first term is 4x square and the next term is square of 5, 25. So it is 25y square. So the answer is, that is 4x square and here it is 25y square. Right? The next one, 5m plus 3n. The whole bracket multiplied by 5m minus 3n. So it is based on the formula a plus b the whole bracket multiplied by a minus b. So answer is a square minus b square. So here square of first term is 5m. So it is 5m the whole square. Square of 5, 25. So what we will write here? 25 is square of m square. And square of 3n, it is 3n the whole square. So square of 3, 9. 9n square. So the answer is 25n square minus 9n square. So today we will learn some more new formulae in lesson 5, expansion formulae. So today we are going to start with the new lesson, that is chapter 5, expansion formulae. Okay, so what we are going to learn here? First formula, expansion of x plus a the whole bracket multiplied by x plus b. So this is x plus a the whole bracket multiplied by x plus b. Now in first bracket x plus a, two terms are there. So this is a binomial. Second bracket x plus b, two terms are there. So they are binomials. So x plus a and x plus b are binomials having two terms. And observe properly, children. What you find here? With one term in common. And which is that common term? X. X plus a, the whole bracket we are multiplying with x plus b. So observe properly, you are having one term in common. So we will see first how this formula is derived. So we are multiplying x plus a the whole bracket with x plus b. So this also we have learned in the previous standard, that we are multiplying a binomial with a binomial. So what we will do is, we will split first binomial, that is x multiplied by full bracket x plus b. X, that is multiply with only x, multiply with full bracket, that is x multiply with x plus b, then a multiply with x plus b. So what we will do? 1 bracket, that is first is x multiply with x plus b. So now again open the brackets. X is the common term for full bracket x plus b. So multiply x with x, x square. Then x with b. So bx. Right? So this part multiplication is over, that is x square plus bx. Now similarly a multiply with x plus b. A multiply with x, ax. A multiply with b, ab. So this we are getting it. X square plus bx plus ax plus ab. Now again you see middle term. X square, is any like term here? No. AB? No. The unlike terms. Only the like terms are bx plus ax. So when we are adding, we have to add only the like terms. Unlike terms we cannot add. So which are the like terms? Bx plus ax. X is common. So x is taken outside the bracket. And what you have? A plus b. The whole bracket multiplied by x. So just you have to remember the formula which is derived is x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiplied with x plus ab. So when we are multiplying x plus a the whole bracket with x plus b, observe properly, one term is common, first term is common. Here first term is common. So formula is square of first term plus addition of two terms, that is addition of second terms. Which are the second terms? Here a, here b. So addition of second terms, the whole bracket multiplied with x plus the product of the second terms. So what you have to remember is this: x plus a the whole bracket multiplied with x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiplied with x plus ab. So we are now going to remember the formula only, right? So let's start with practice set 5.1. Now practice set 5.1. Expand. So this is based on the formula which we have studied. Which formula we have studied? X plus a the whole bracket multiplied with x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiplied with x plus ab. Now first question is m minus 4 multiplied by m plus 6. M minus 4 the whole bracket multiplied by m plus 6. Again observe properly, they are binomials and one term is common, and here which is a common term? M, which is first term. So now we will solve it. So what you do is, first you write the formula on which formula it is based, and write formula in a box, that is better. So what you will do, you will write the formula in a box, and that is also towards your right side, little right side, so it becomes clear that this is the formula. So formula first you write x plus a the whole bracket multiplied by x plus b is equal to x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiplied with x plus ab. Now in this formula we are going to substitute the values. So when we say x square, that is first square that is first term is m, square of m, and the sign, middle sign is plus. Even see here plus. And one more thing children, here it is minus, here it is plus, and here it is plus. Don't get confused with these things. Just see, you are multiplying binomials where one term is common. This is the formula. And in formula it is x square, square of first term. Here plus, you have to write plus. And in bracket we will write the terms with their sign. And accordingly calculation will be done. So in bracket we will write minus 4 plus 6. The whole bracket multiplied by m. And then again here plus. So here in our expansion also we will write plus a multiplied by b. So our a is negative 4 multiplied by b, that is 6. After writing this in the formula, substitute the formula correctly. Wherever here plus sign is there, inside the sign correctly you have to substitute. Now solve them. Square m square, that is m square, right? Now solve this bracket part. Negative 4 plus 6. Solve it. So the answer is plus 2, right? Different sign terms, what we do? We subtract sign of the greater term. So just to do minus 4 plus 6, that is 2, right? 2 multiply with m, 2m. Now multiply negative 4 with 6. So you know 4 6 are 24 and it is negative, so minus 24. Our answer is m square plus 2m minus 24, right? Now next, it is 3x plus 4y the whole bracket multiplied by 3x plus 5y. So they are based on the formula. Which formula we have studied? X plus a the whole bracket multiplied by x plus b. And what is the answer? X square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiplied by x plus ab. Write formula neatly. Write formula in a box and all. And towards little bit right side. So that becomes clear that it is the formula. And then we are doing the continuation, that is equal to square of first term. And our first term is 3x. So it is 3x. And write in bracket children, because it is 3x the whole bracket square. Plus middle term is addition of the terms 4y plus 5y. Second term here it is 4y, here it is 5y. So 4y plus 5y the whole bracket multiply by 3x plus again we have to do multiplication of the second terms 4y multiply by 5y. First substitute the values, then solve. 3x the whole square, so square of 3 9x square. Now here it is bracket. So what you will do? Solve the bracket part. 4y plus 5y. They are like terms. Their coefficient is y. So 4y plus 5y, 9y. 9y you have to multiply with 3x. So 9 3s are 27. xy. So it is 27xy. Now come to multiplication part. 4y multiply by 5y. So you multiply the number 4 with 5. 4 5s are 20. And y multiply with y square, 20y square. So answer is 9x square plus 27xy plus 20y square. So this way you are going to write formula, substitute the values in the formula, solve them and the answer. Now next question is 9x minus 5t the whole bracket multiply with 9x plus 3t. So here which is a common term? 9x, right? Common term is 9x. So we are using the formula x plus a the whole bracket multiply with x plus b. Answer is x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiply with x plus ab. First write formula. Now substitute the values in formula. First term is that is x square. So x square and our first term is 9x. So write 9x the whole bracket multiply with square. You have to put here in bracket. Then next is plus. This is a formula part plus. So write plus then in bracket. That second term here it is negative 5t plus here it is 3t. So negative 5t plus 3t the whole bracket multiply with 9x. Plus again this is plus you multiply the next terms minus 5t the whole bracket that is 5t multiply with 3t. So square of 9x that is 81. So 81x square. Then we will solve bracket part. Minus 5t plus 3t. So minus 5t plus 3t you will get minus 2t, right? Multiply with 9x. So when we multiply 9 with minus 2 you get negative 18x multiply with t 18xt. So you have to do slowly children. First solve the bracket, then you have to multiply. Then the third term is minus 5t multiply with 3t. So minus 5 multiply with 3 minus 15. T into t, t square. So answer is 81x square minus 18xt minus 15t square. There is an assignment for you to do. A plus 2 the whole bracket multiply with a minus 1. So which is the common term here? A. So first what you will do? You will write the formula. X plus a the whole bracket multiply with x plus b. Answer is x square plus a plus b the whole bracket multiply with x plus ab. Then you will substitute it. X square, so in place of x, a square. First term. Then the middle terms. Middle terms are 2 minus 1. The whole bracket multiply with a. So 2 minus 1, 1. 1 into a. And then the product of the last terms, that is 2 multiply with minus 1. So answer is minus 2. So you are going to substitute the values, write the answer. So this is an assignment for you to do. And one more question. P plus 8, the whole bracket, multiply by P minus 3. So you know what you will do. First write formula, substitute the values in formula and solve it. So thank you children. We will stop here and we will continue from here in the next session. Sai Ram.